Old Time Data Group is an ISO 9001-2008 company, incorporated in 2002, with an objective of providing complete range of IT-enabled services. In the years to follow, the group diversified into various businesses like MyLoanBazaar.com, which deals in financial services, Synergy, which deals in construction and real estate, and the latest milestone in the group's onward journey, which is MyShopBazaar.com, an e-com portal setting the standards in the e-com services industry. MyShopBazaar.com is an online shopping store for buying electronic gadgets, home appliances, apparels, personal care, gifts, books, jewelry and much more. With quality, value and convenience built right into our name, we strive to provide the best possible shopping experience. Customers shopping with us will always have the ultimate convenience of products delivered right at their doorstep.
शॉपिंग के बाद मूवी।
हाँ
भूल जाओ।
क्यों?
सोच लो, ट्रैफिक, पार्किंग और तुम्हारे ड्रेस ट्रायल।
वही तो, जल्दी करो ना।
क्यों? myshopbazaar.com है ना?
myshopbazaar.com. Shop online, anytime, anywhere.
सीधा मूवी?
Our repertoire of services is backed by great brands, user-friendly website, special pricing, very sign secured, honest demos and videos of products, friendly customer care team, on-air testimonial calls, customer reviews are from customers just like you. Unscripted, no falsification. We are everywhere on the social network. Be it Facebook, InShare, Twitter or Google+.
मॉम, मुझे शॉपिंग करनी है। हमेशा शॉपिंग शॉपिंग।
कितना अच्छा होता अगर पूरा शॉपिंग मॉल अपने आंगन में होता। हाँ, है ना?
myshopbazaar.com. Shop online, anytime, anywhere. Since its launch in 2010, myshopbazaar.com is growing at an average of more than 100%, marking an annual sales of 4.18 crore rupees in 2012, with a projected target of 25 to 30 crore rupees in 2014. My Shop Bazaar is estimated to reach 300 crore rupees by the year 2020. With 1,000 to 1,500 views per day and a pan-India presence, the portal has expanded its vendor base from about 20 vendors in 2010 to 108 in 2013, offering over 40,000 plus branded products. The website aims to achieve a target of 1 lakh plus products by the year 2020. At My Shop Bazaar, we continuously strive to provide our customers the best in product, services and value. Keeping this in mind, we are all set to launch our own brand, Yellow Shine, beginning with electronics and home appliances and diversifying into other product ranges, only to be available on myshopbazaar.com portal. To enhance our customers' experience of shopping with us, we are launching a new privilege and gift cards. In association with ISIC and approved by UNESCO, our privilege card is acceptable in 124 countries, covering over 40,000 products around the world. Our gift card, in association with Value Access, is a perfect gift for corporates, birthdays and marriages. It is a prepaid rechargeable card and is available pan-India through retail chains like Spencer, Big Bazaar, Reliance Retail, etc.
L'eau est un bien trop précieux pour être gaspillée.
At ATD, we believe in corporate social responsibility with determination. Our CSR program, Go Green, is one such initiative where with every purchase, the customer is given a pack of seeds that they can plant to help our environment. Our campaigns to save electricity and save water have also been one of our major initiatives. At ATD, we strongly believe that equal opportunity must be given to all deserving candidates who believe that they can truly represent the new India. Presenting the first of its kind Miss India and Mr. India Contest 2013. The most fascinating feature of this contest is that anyone living in any corner of the country can participate online in the screening stages from the comforts of their home. There is no eligibility restrictions based on marital status, and the age group is 18 to 35. The contest's brand ambassador is famous television actor Mr. Shakti Anand, and will be inaugurated by Dr. Mahesh Sharma, MLA, Gautam Budh Nagar. The jury will consist of eminent personalities from various fields like administrative, academic, sports, film, entertainment, fashion and dance. The contest consists of 6 stages. In the first 3 stages, contestants will have to answer objective questionnaires on the website on topics like current affairs, films, general knowledge and IQ assessment. The participants would also have to submit a 2-minute video where they talk about themselves. 50 contestants will be shortlisted after the first 3 stages for the next round, which will be a subjective questionnaire, where contestants will have to provide answers in 500 words. Based on the points achieved in the subjective questionnaire, 20 contestants will be shortlisted for the final round. The final 20 candidates shortlisted by the jury and myshopbazaar.com will then be called for the mega event, which is to be held on the 19th of October 2013 at City Fort Auditorium, New Delhi. The finalists will be required to participate in various activities like group discussion, fashion show, dance performance, question-answer session with the jury, etc. Jury members will award points to the contestants for each activity. Apart from Miss India and Mr. India titles, 12 other subtitles would also be awarded. All you need to do is shop on our website myshopbazaar.com and register on the contest page. So why wait? Log on to www.myshopbazaar.com now.